Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to transfer cryptocurrency from one Binance account to another, then this tutorial is for you. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, transferring between your accounts, or making payments, Binance makes the process fast, secure, and hassle-free. In this detailed step-by-step guide, I will show you how to send crypto from Binance to Binance using two methods. 1. Using the Binance Pay feature, 0 fees. 2. Using the deposit and withdrawal method. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Transfer crypto using Binance Pay. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log in. Launch the Binance mobile app on your phone. Enter your email, phone number, and password to log in. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA enabled, complete the verification to access your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Go to Binance Pay. On the Binance home screen, tap on the Send button. This will take you to the Binance Pay section where you can send crypto to other Binance users instantly and without fees. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details. Tap on Send to begin the transfer. Enter the recipient's email, phone number, or Pay ID associated with their Binance account. Select the crypto you want to send, BTC, USDT, BNB. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Optional. You can add a note for the recipient if needed. Step 4. Confirm and complete the transfer. Double-check the recipient's details to avoid sending crypto to the wrong person. Tap on Confirm and enter your Binance Pay PIN or security verification. Once confirmed, your crypto will be transferred instantly and without any fees. That's it. You've successfully transferred crypto using Binance Pay. Method 2. Transfer crypto using the deposit and withdrawal method. If the recipient doesn't have Binance Pay enabled or you prefer the traditional way, you can transfer crypto using the deposit and withdrawal method. Step 1. Get the recipient's Binance deposit address. Ask the recipient to open their Binance app and go to the Add Funds section. They should tap on Deposit and select the cryptocurrency they want to receive, e.g. USDT, BTC, ETH. They need to choose the correct network, e.g. BEP20, ERC20, TRC20. After selecting the network, a crypto deposit address will be displayed. The recipient should copy this address and share it with you. Step 2. Go to the Withdrawal section on your Binance account. Open the Binance app and tap on Portfolio at the bottom. Select Take Out and tap on Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, BNB, USDT. Step 3. Enter the transfer details. Paste the recipient's deposit address in the recipient address field. Choose the same network that the recipient selected, e.g. BIP20 for BNB to 20 for USDT. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Check the network fees before proceeding. Step 4. Confirm and complete the transfer. Double-check all details to ensure everything is correct. Tap on Withdraw and complete the security verification, Google Authenticator, SMS, or email code. Once confirmed, Binance will process the withdrawal, and the recipient should receive the funds within a few minutes, depending on the network speed. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred crypto from Binance to another Binance account using the withdrawal method. Important tips for secure transfers. Always double-check the recipient's Binance email, Pay ID, or deposit address before sending crypto. Use Binance Pay whenever possible to avoid network fees. Select the correct network, EP20, TRC20, ERC20, to prevent lost funds. If using the withdrawal method, ensure you have enough funds to cover transaction fees. If you encounter delays or issues, check the transaction history and contact Binance support if needed. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to transfer crypto from Binance to Binance. Binance Pay. Instant, 0 fees. Deposit and withdrawal. Secure and reliable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might need it. If you have any questions or problems, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!